wake up. This, I want to tell you, is Ajay's directorial debut.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, I didn't know. I love this film actually. It's like a guilty pleasure film.
So he's taken the ring off my finger and proposed to me with my own rings.
Yeah,
we
and
objectified so beautifully.
Yeah, I loved
See?
it. This we are not doing.
Aaj we are going to look at some clips from both our other content on Jio Hotstar and
Oh my God.
React.
Artham quickapam hilodula sab shakapam Aizam thundaram downam mandaram saizam mataram thinkam mandaram
This we are not doing. No. This is probably some of the most fun I've had shooting something in my entire career because
Because
I've done a lot of mainstream masala stuff which I absolutely love, but I've never done a film where it was about more neck down about myself. No. So, I mean,
I want to tell you, this got you a lot of fans.
you usually sort of shoot women the way I was shot in Ayya.
Exactly.
Yeah,
We
and
objectified so beautifully.
yeah, I loved it. And Rani and I had a ball shooting for this song. And yeah, as you can see when you see the footage, we just really let go.
वो सॉरी पता नहीं मेरा दोस्त क्या अनाप शनाप बक गया
What was going through my mind at that time?
I can almost imagine what the behind the scenes must have been like. And kudos to Ajay sir.
For keeping a straight face.
for keeping-
Definitely, no two ways about it.
I love this film actually.
Isn't this the scene where I have a ring and all that?
Yeah, I think so.
This is my ring actually.
Uh-huh.
So this is my ring.
Oh.
Yeah. So the director was like, अरे अंगूठी नहीं है. Scene में propose करना है, अंगूठी नहीं है. So I said, ठीक है, यही ring ले लो. So he's taken the ring off my finger and proposed to me with my own ring. So yeah.
Yeah, so this is from the Prashant Neel film, Salar. Obviously, it stars Prabhas and myself. And this is the first film I decided to do outside of Malayalam after a very long time. And I'm so glad because it really sort of, I made a lot of friends doing this.
Broke a lot of barriers.
Yeah, I mean, most of all Prabhas, I think I've really hit it off with him. Yeah.
Next.
Hi. Surprised? Oh my god. How cute. Hi baby. Hi sweetie.
This, I want to tell you, is Ajay's directorial debut.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, I didn't know.
Sounds very like, cool and whatever, but it was actually about Alzheimer's.
Oh,
And
Wow, okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
so what happens to the families, what happens to, everybody around you as well. It's not just the person.
oh, wow, okay.
So it was quite a film that was a little ahead of its time.
അതെ നിന്റെ അമ്മ പ്രഗ്നന്റ് ആണ് എന്തോന്ന് ആര് പ്രഗ്നന്റ് ആണെന്ന്
Yeah. So this is this is
This
from
you
my
directed?
yeah, this is from my second directorial. I had a ball doing it, and obviously I have actors like Mohanlal sir and Meena ma'am. It's very easy to shoot them, as you can see. So yeah.
You can't talk to me like this.
Oh, I haven't seen
मैंने
this.
बहुत सालों बाद फिर से जिंदगी से लड़ना शुरू किया है और बहुत मजा आ रहा है. So watch yourself, Mrs. D'Souza, वरना केस कर दूंगी. और मेरे केसेस टीवी पे आते हैं. चलो नायरा.
Oh, I haven't seen this.
You have to watch it. It's quite a cool series actually.
Oh, it's a series.
Yeah, it's
oh,
a
I
series.
definitely should catch up. Yeah.
So please watch it.
Yes.
And it's also on Jio Hotstar.
Oh, wow. Yes.
And this we know, right?
Yeah.
This we know. This is like, do we know this one?
Do we?
Do we?
Yeah.
I think so. This is
Looks vaguely familiar. That's Salzamin. It's a script that I really loved from the first time I read it. And yeah, there are a lot of twists in the film that might surprise you.
पूरी picture देखना, सिर्फ एक scene नहीं. It's on your TV screen next to you,
Yes.
right next to you.